Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we have something exciting in store for you if you're looking to make money online in 2023. In this video, we'll be sharing 10 proven and legitimate ways to earn money from the comfort of your own home. So, whether you're a stay-at-home parent, a student, or just someone seeking extra income, stick around because we've got some fantastic opportunities lined up for you. Let's dive in. Number 1. Affiliate marketing. First up, we have one of the most popular and profitable methods, affiliate marketing. It involves promoting products or services of other companies and earning a commission for each sale or lead generated through your unique affiliate link. We'll show you how to get started and find the best affiliate programs in 2023 in another video. Number 2. Freelancing. Next, we have freelancing, a flexible way to use your skills and make money online. Whether you're good at writing, graphic design, coding, or even virtual assistants, there's a demand for various talents in the online market. We'll discuss top freelancing platforms and how to create an impressive profile that attracts clients in another video. Number 3. Online courses. Have a passion or expertise in a specific field. Why not share it with others and create online courses? We'll guide you through the process of course creation, platforms to use, and tips to ensure your courses stand out and generate a steady stream of income in 2023 in another video. Number 4. YouTube monetization. If you enjoy creating videos and engaging with an audience, YouTube could be your pathway to success. We'll talk about the latest YouTube monetization policies in 2023, how to grow your channel, and the different income streams available for content creators in another video. Number 5. E-commerce and dropshipping. Ready to start your online store? E-commerce and dropshipping continue to be popular in 2023. We'll walk you through the steps of setting up an online shop, sourcing products, and managing your store efficiently for maximum profits in another video. Number 6. Blogging for profit. Blogging is another great way to earn money online, and it's not just about writing. We'll explore various blogging methods, including affiliate marketing through blogs, sponsored content, and ad revenue. Learn how to turn your passion for writing into a lucrative online business in another video. Number 7. Cryptocurrency investments. With the rise of cryptocurrencies, many are wondering if they can make money through investments. We'll cover the basics of cryptocurrency, how to invest wisely, and the potential risks and rewards involved in this dynamic market in another video. Number 8. Online surveys and market research. Taking online surveys might not make you rich overnight, but it's a simple way to earn some extra cash. We'll introduce you to legitimate survey platforms that pay and share tips on maximizing your earnings in another video. Number 9. Niche websites and ad revenue. Building niche websites can be a lucrative venture in 2023. We'll explain how to select a profitable niche, create content that attracts traffic, and monetize through ad revenue in another video. Number 10. Digital product sales. Finally, we'll explore selling digital products like ebooks, templates, or photography in 2023. Find out how to create high-quality digital products and reach your target audience effectively in another video. And there you have it, 10 proven ways to make money online in 2023. Remember, success in any of these ventures requires dedication, consistency, and continuous learning. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more content like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Happy earning!